Well, I'm back. Yeah, that was an abrupt end to, let's just say my camera fell over on the pedestal and whacked the ground, and now I'm on a different camera, and oh my word. Things happen, right? So, here we are. I believe I've tapped into the heated mirror circuit with my, this one's got a fuse on it, heated mirror circuit, and I think that's going to be okay. This thing does not have heated mirrors anyways, but for some reason it's got a heated mirror circuit. And let's see here, what am I going to do next? Well, I'm going to shut the fuse box. At least I hope I'm going to. There's a little indent there that the wire fits through here. So that's pretty neat. There's a little indent there. Don't know if it's on every one of them, but it's on mine. Probably caused by somebody before me. And we're going to check to see if the lights come on when I turn the key on. So hopefully they're not on right now. No, they're not. Let's get in the shade here and out of the wind. Let's get where we can see it. That's no good. There, you can see both lights there. Now I'll turn the key on. I'll turn the vehicle on. This is the way I want to set it up for the winter. I will finish up with a button inside hooked up at a later date. So, if everything's good, the lights should be on. Hey, the lights are on. Nice. So it looks like I did it right. Let me start the vehicle. Will the lights stay on? Kind of like the look of it now. It's got nice, starting to look fancier, right? Fancier. At least I hope so. Ah, there we go. Lights are on, looking good. There. Now maybe I can see a bit better. But I am going to do a headlight test coming up in the videos of showing different headlight bulbs. I bought a few to test. Right now I'm running Silver Stars. Yeah, they're okay. They're not great. But I'm going to test a couple of different types against a normal bulb, nothing special, your plain Jane type of bulb. And I'll be doing that when it gets darker, or at my garage at work where I can turn the lights off in the garage and make it pretty dark. So that'll be coming up in the near future. Well, at least I hope it will. But yeah, I'll turn the headlights on for this one. Let me just say the Silver Stars were a bit better than what was in there. A bit better, not stupendous. But I do have some really good headlights coming up to give them a test. But for now, look I got my running lights or driving lights in, fog lights, and they look great. It works. I'm very happy. All right. Since I didn't get to say thanks for watching on the last one, I'll say it twice on this one. Thanks for watching on the last one, and thanks for watching on this one.